What is happening, everybody? Josh Huskins, the Jeepin Realtor, affiliated with Foxfire Real Estate. So today we're in Spruce Pine, North Carolina. They have a festival, what's called Fire on the Mountain. It's a blacksmith festival, so let's take a look.
Good. Actually got some flux on there, but oh well.
So my past has finally caught up with me. Old welding partner Ash Day. So tell me, do you miss any of this welding?
Only when it comes to this stuff.
Hello folks, this is Burnt Mountain Forge. Just want to say that this is a perfect opportunity for any of you wanting to learn blacksmithing to come down here and to appreciate the art that's been around for several thousand years, if not a little bit more. Hope to see you, and hope you have a good day.
Hey, name's Brian Casey from Blue Animal Forge out of Goldsboro, North Carolina. Just making knives.
Hi, I'm Jeff McDowell. I've been here from the very start, Spruce Pine, Fire on the Mountain Festival. It's a very unique festival. Come down and check us out.
I'm Chuck Lowe. I'm from Pike County, Kentucky, and I love making knives. All of us blacksmiths. We love moving metal and shaping metal. I really enjoy this festival. It's my third year, and these are good people. Glad to be here.
Okay, well, here we are at the Blacksmith Festival, Fire on the Mountain in downtown Spruce Pine, North Carolina. One of the best blacksmithing festivals ever. Lots of fun things to see, lots of fun things to do. Hope to see you guys sometime soon. Bye-bye. It's Selena Glass and Metal, located on the fringes of Burnsville.
That'll work. Hey, thanks a bunch. I appreciate that.
Sure. See you around.
See you.
My name's Liam Hoffman. I'm the owner of Hoffman Blacksmithing, and we have a custom axe and knife making business in Roan Mountain, Tennessee. And I've been doing this for about 8 years. Started more with knives and then moved into axes, and we strive to make the best axe that money can buy, with every single aspect of the product being handmade. And I'm out here at Fire on the Mountain today, Fire on the Mountain Festival, just to have fun and forge and meet people and teach people and see all sorts of other blacksmiths doing what I do.
Hey, North Carolina, my name's Luke Anderson, Three Arrows Forge. We're from Charlotte, North Carolina. Came out to the Blacksmithing Festival today to show off some of our stuff and meet some people in the business. It's busy out here, it's a beautiful day, and feel free to visit our Facebook page or our website at www.threearrowsforge.com. Thank you.
I'm the Copper Goddess. I'm based in Burnsville, and I've been working copper for 20 years. Here's an example of my beautiful shiny musical objects. I make wind chimes, singing bowls, and jewelry, earrings, bracelets. I'm on Facebook as the Copper Goddess.
My name is Jason Knight, and this is my buddy Shelby Mihailovich. Did I say that right?
Yes,
All right.
Mahalo.
Are you looking in the right spot?
I don't think so.
You say Mihailovich, I say Mihailovich. So we're going to give a shout out to
Shelby.
Shelby Mihailovich and all of this cool stuff. What are we doing?
You know the
We're going to do
routine.
this again? All right, we're just rolling here. I'm here with Charles Lionheart Ellis.
Hi,
Say something else, Charlie.
I'm Charles Ellis. I do Eagle Crest Forge. My Instagram is Charles Lionheart. Make all kinds of fun stuff, folders and swords.
Kitchen knives and
kitchen
swords.
knives, integrals.
Integral. Anyway, Charlie is one of my also favorite bladesmiths, and I don't buy a lot of knives from many people, but I buy stuff from him. And I will show you my belt buckle, but I think that would be appropriate.
Here.
I'll show you when it's not mounted. There it is. Awesome. All right.
I don't know about you guys, but I had a blast. I always love these type of things. Fire on the Mountain Festival, Blacksmith Festival. Just a great technique that's getting lost in this technical world that we live in today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about the area, feel free to shoot me a text, email, phone numbers listed below. I want to thank everybody that took the time out of their presentations to speak with us about their business. Thank you.